Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Glow Up.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here learning English with us today.
Today's lesson is super useful for daily English conversations.
Yes, today we are talking about two very common English words
Hope.
and wish.
Many English learners confuse these words
And honestly, that is completely normal.
because both words talk about things we want.
Exactly. But native speakers use them in very different situations.
And if you use the wrong one,
The sentence can sound strange or unnatural.
so today, we will explain everything step by step.
With simple examples,
Real conversations
mini quizzes,
and speaking practice.
perfect for a 1 and B1 English learners.
So grab your coffee
Relax.
and let's start learning English. Jake, what is the easiest way to understand hope and wish?
Simple.
We like simple,
We use hope for real possibilities.
things that can really happen.
Exactly.
And we use wish for unreal situations.
Things that are imaginary, impossible, or different from reality.
That already sounds much clearer.
Let's look at hope first.
Okay,
Imagine tomorrow's weather,
maybe sunny.
maybe rainy.
Florida weather changes every hour.
Very true.
So if tomorrow is still unknown, what do we say?
We say, I hope it's sunny tomorrow.
Because sunshine tomorrow is possible.
Exactly.
Can we hear more examples?
Of course.
I hope you have a great day.
Very natural.
I hope the meeting goes well.
Excellent business English.
I hope we arrive on time.
Another very common sentence.
So, hope is for future possibilities,
Correct.
things that might really happen.
Exactly.
Listen and repeat. Repeat after us.
I hope you feel better soon.
I hope the weather is nice tomorrow.
I hope we get good seats.
I hope your interview goes well.
Excellent job.
Now, let's talk about wish.
This is where many learners get confused.
What is the main idea?
Wish is usually for unreal situations.
Things that are not true right now.
Exactly.
Can you give us an example?
Sure.
Go ahead.
I wish it were Saturday
That sounds very natural.
because maybe today is Monday.
And Monday cannot magically become Saturday.
Unfortunately not.
So wish talks about imaginary situations.
Exactly.
Can we hear more examples?
Of course. I wish I had more free time.
Very relatable.
I wish I lived near the beach.
That sounds amazing.
I wish I knew how to play guitar.
A very common sentence. So, these things are not true right now.
Exactly.
Now, common learner mistake. Jake, many learners say,
I wish it doesn't rain tomorrow.
is that natural?
Not really,
Why not?
because tomorrow's weather is still possible.
So we should use hope?
Exactly.
Correct sentence?
I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow.
Perfect. Now, listen and repeat. Repeat after us.
I wish I had more money.
I wish I were taller.
I wish I lived closer to my family.
I wish I had more vacation days.
Great pronunciation, everyone.
Now let's practice real life conversations.
This is the best way to sound natural.
Imagine your friend has an exam tomorrow.
What do you say?
I hope you pass the exam
Perfect.
because passing the exam is possible.
Exactly.
Now, imagine the exam already happened.
And you failed.
Sad moment.
Very sad.
What can you say now?
I wish I studied more,
Excellent.
because now it is too late.
And that sentence shows regret.
Exactly.
Now, a mini conversation. Jake, are you traveling this summer?
I hope so.
Where do you want to go?
I hope I can visit Japan someday.
That sounds exciting.
What about you?
I wish I had more vacation time.
Same here.
I also wish plane tickets were cheaper.
Everybody wishes that.
Now let's focus more on hope.
Okay.
Can we use hope for positive future situations?
Absolutely.
I hope you enjoy the movie.
Very common.
I hope your flight is on time.
Very useful airport English.
I hope the restaurant is open.
Another natural sentence.
I hope we don't get stuck in traffic,
That happens all the time.
especially on Friday evenings.
True.
Listen and repeat.
I hope you have a safe trip.
I hope everything goes well.
I hope we see each other again.
I hope your family is doing well.
Amazing.
Now, let's go deeper into wish.
Many people use wish when they are unhappy about their current situation.
Exactly.
I wish I had more energy.
Monday morning English.
I wish I were rich.
A classic sentence.
I wish I spoke English perfectly.
That is why everyone is watching this lesson.
Exactly. And remember something important.
What is it?
After wish, we often use past tense grammar.
Even when talking about the present.
Exactly.
That feels strange for many learners.
But it becomes natural with practice.
Can we say, I hope I had more money?
No,
Correct sentence?
I wish I had more money,
Excellent.
because it is not true now.
Exactly. Let's practice another real-life situation.
Okay?
Imagine your friend has a job interview tomorrow.
Stressful situation.
Very stressful.
What should we say?
I hope you get the job
Perfect?
because getting the job is possible.
Exactly.
Can we say, I wish you get the job?
No,
Why? Because the future is still open.
very important rule.
Repeat after us.
I hope you get the job.
I hope the weather is nice tomorrow.
I wish I had more free time.
I wish I lived near the ocean. Excellent English, everyone.
Now that we understand the basic difference between hope and wish, let's go deeper into real-life English practice.
Because in real conversations, you don't stop to think about grammar rules.
You just speak naturally.
So our goal is simple. Train your brain to choose automatically.
Let's start with a very common situation.
Imagine your friend has a job interview tomorrow.
You want to support them?
You say, I wish you get the job.
Stop. That sounds natural in your language, but in English, it is incorrect.
Because this situation is still possible,
So we must use hope.
hope you get the job.
Perfect.
Now let's try another real situation.
It is raining outside and you planned a picnic.
You say, I wish it stops raining.
Not correct. Because the rain might stop.
So, again, we use hope.
I hope it stops raining.
Good job.
Now let's make it personal. Think about your own life.
Maybe you are learning English right now. You can say, I hope I improve my English.
Yes, because improvement is possible. Now compare it with something unreal.
I wish I spoke perfect English already.
That shows it is not your reality yet. It is a dream. And that is the key difference.
Hope equals real possibility. Wish equals unreal situation.
Now let's practice daily phrases.
Repeat after us.
I hope you feel better soon.
I hope you have a good day.
I hope everything goes well.
Now, the other side. I wish I had more time.
I wish I could travel more.
I wish I lived near the beach. Good. Now let's do a quick speaking challenge. Listen carefully. First situation. Tomorrow is your exam. What do you say?
I hope I pass the exam.
Correct. Second situation. You didn't study enough. Now you feel regret.
I wish I studied more.
Correct. Now, listen and repeat.
I hope you have a safe trip.
I wish I were on vacation.
I hope the meeting goes well.
I wish I had more free time.
Now imagine a real conversation.
I have an interview tomorrow.
I hope you get it.
I'm nervous.
I hope everything goes well.
Good English.
Now switch perspective.
I don't like my job.
I wish you had a better job.
That is natural too, because it is not real right now. Now, let's review everything quickly.
Hope is for real possibilities, future situations, things that can happen. Wish is for unreal situations, dreams, regrets, impossible situations.
Now, your final challenge. Write 2 sentences, one with hope, one with wish.
For example, I hope I learn English fast. I wish I lived in New York.
Now it's your turn. Practice every day.
Because speaking is the fastest way to improve English.
If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to English Glow Up. And don't forget to like this video.
Write your sentences in the comments.
We read every comment.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye